Good morning, my dear students. Unit 2, Number Theory, Lecture 3. Continuation. Result. If G is the greatest common divisor of B and C, then there exist integers x0 and y0 such that G is equal to bracket B comma C is equal to bx0 plus cy0. Example, in above example, GCD of 6 comma 8 is 2, nothing but G. There exists integers 1 minus 1 such that minus 1 into 6 plus 1 into 8, nothing but 2. So x0 B plus y0 C is equal to G. Same result. This result is also important result. Next result. If G is the GCD of GCD greatest common divisor of integers B and C. Number 1. G is the positive common divisor of B and C. G is the positive common divisor of B and C, and it is divisible by every common divisor of B and C. Example 6, 8. GCD of 6, 8. Look here, divisors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Divisors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Common divisors 1, 2. Greatest common divisor is 2. Look here. Here B comma C. B is 6, C is 8. Greatest common divisor is 2. It divides every common divisor of B and C. 1 divides 2, 2 divides 2. Every common divisor of C. So this is the example for above result. So result 2. G is the least positive value of Bx plus Cy where x comma y belongs to Z. Note, if there exists integers x and y such that Bx plus Qy is equal to 1, then GCD of B and C is 1. Observe the examples, live examples. We have to find GCD of 8, 12. Divisors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Divisors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Common divisors 1, 2, 4. Greatest common divisor 4. That is G. Clearly 4 is divisible by 1, 2, 4. Every common divisors. So 4 is equal to minus 1 into 8 plus 1 into Z. There exist two integers minus 1 and 1 such that G is equal to Bx plus Cy. G is equal to Bx plus Cy. This is the live example. Okay, another example. Another example, GCD of 3 7, divisors of 3 are 1 3, divisors of 7 are 1 7, common divisors only 1, greatest divisor common divisor is also 1. There exist integers minus 2 1 belongs to Z such that minus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 7 nothing but minus 6 plus 7 is nothing but 1. Greatest common divisor. Result, for any positive integer m, MB is equal to m into AB. Small bracket indicates GCD, greatest common divisor. Example, GCD of 6 comma 8 is 2. So A is equal to 6, B is equal to 8. Take M is equal to 3. MA comma MB are 18 comma 24. 18 comma 24. Divisors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Divisors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Common divisors are common 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. Greatest common divisor is 6, which is nothing but, which is 3 into 2 is equal to 3 into GCD of 6 comma 8. 2 is GCD of 6 comma 8. So GCD of MAMB nothing but M into GCD of AB. GCD of AB. Result, if D divides A and D divides B and D greater than 0, then A by D, B by D, GCD is nothing but 1 by D into GCD of AB. Example, 2 divides 4, 2 divides 6. Here A comma B, A is equal to 4, B is equal to 6, D is equal to 2. So GCD of 4 comma 6 is 2. That means GCD of AB is 2. 4 by 2. 4 by 2 means A by 2 comma A by D. A by D comma B by D. A by D comma B by D. 4 by 2 comma B by 2. 2 by 3. 2 comma 3. GCD of 2 by 3 is 1. 1 can be written as 1 by 2 into 2. So 1 by D into 2 means GCD of AB. GCD of AB. So A by D comma B by D GCD nothing but 1 by D into GCD of AB. Note, if GCD of AB is G, then GCD of A by G comma B by G is equal to 1. A by G comma B by G by G is equal to 1. Next, result, if GCD of A comma M is equal to GCD of B comma M, small bracket means GCD, then AB comma M is equal to 1. Example, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4, M is equal to 3. So what about 2 comma 3 GCD in nothing but 4 comma 3 GCD nothing but 1. Then AB means 8. AB comma M. AB comma M. is equal to AB 8 comma M. M means here 3. This is nothing but 1. Common divisor of 3 comma 8 is also 1. Observe carefully. Next result, for any integer x, AB is equal to BA is equal to A minus B is equal to A comma B plus AX. Example 2, 3 GCD nothing but 3, 2 GCD nothing but 2 minus 3 GCD nothing but 2 comma 3 plus 3 plus A plus B plus AX nothing but B plus here B 2 A is 2 B is 3 BX for any integer x AB we got 3 plus you write here 1 integer 1 we get 2 comma A2 B3 plus A2 into some x means here x is 1 we got 2 5 so GCD of this is same 1 all GCDs are 1. From division algorithm B is equal to AQ plus R, then GCD AB is equal to GCD R or GCD BA is equal to GCD R, BA R convenient, BA and beginner, BA R. So suppose B is equal to 8, A is equal to 6, GCD is 2, so BA GCD 2. Dividing we get remainder 2, so AR is also 2. GCD of 6 comma 2 is also 2, so BA is equal to AR. So B is equal to AQ plus R implies BA is equal to AR. This is very important result. If C divides AB, comma, GCD of BC is equal to 1, then C divides A. Example, 2 divides 4 into 3, 2 divides 12. So this is C is equal to A is equal to 4, B is equal to 3. What about BC 3, 2, GCD of this one is 1. Clearly C divides A. C means 2 divides A means 4. Okay, this result is over. Next, the Euclidean algorithm. The Euclidean algorithm, very important. Given integers A and B greater than 0, comma, by repeated application of division algorithm, Euclidean algorithm, given integers A and B greater than 0, by repeated application of division algorithm, we get series of equations, b is equal to aq1 plus r1. Dividing b by a, we get quotient q1, remainder r1. So what about above result? This result ba is equal to ar1. Now a is equal to this number r1 into q2 plus r2. What is your conclusion? A r1 is equal to r1 r2 GCD. A r1 is equal to r1 r2. This result. Now r1 is equal to r2 q3 plus r3. Here r1 r2 is equal to GCD of r2 r3. So on rj minus 1 is equal to rj qj plus 1 plus remainder 0, last remainder. So rj minus 1 rj is equal to rj 0. rj 0 GCD nothing but rj. rj 0 GCD nothing but rj. Then GCD b comma a is rj, this remainder, which is known as Euclidean algorithm, అంటే డివిజన్ అల్గారిథంని నంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తేదే యూక్లిడియన్ అల్గారిథం. యూజింగ్ డివిజన్ అల్గారిథం number of times we get series of equations which method is nothing but Euclidean algorithm. So very very important for problems. Observe carefully. Dividing b by a, we get remainder q1 r1. So according to this formula, ba is equal to r1. Again dividing a by r1, we get q2 times, we get new remainder r2. So ar1 is equal to r1 r2. Similarly, r1 is equal to r2 into q3 plus r3. r1 r2 is equal to r2 r3. So on, we get generally rj minus 1 r2 దీనికన్నా ఒకటి తగ్గింది ఇక్కడ. అందులో j minus 1 అయితే ఇది ఒకటి పెరిగింది కాబట్టి rj అవుతుంది, ఇంకోటి పెరిగింది కాబట్టి j plus 1 అవుతుంది. ఫైనల్ రిమైండర్ 0 వస్తే rj minus 1 rj is equal to rj 0. బ్రాకెట్ rj 0 ఒకటి 0 అయింది అనుకోండి, అదే వస్తుందని చెప్పాను ఇంతకుముందు. బ్రాకెట్ b0 is equal to b, బ్రాకెట్ c0 is equal to c అని చెప్పానండి. దాని ప్రకారం rj వస్తుంది. సో GCD of BA is equal to RJ, which is nothing but Euclidean algorithm. Problem 1. Using Euclidean algorithm, find GCD of greatest common divisor of 963 and 657. So solution, given numbers 963 657 by division algorithm 963 is equal to 657 into 1, remainder 306. Using calculator, divide this one, this we get 1.567 etc. So take integer only 1, and 963 minus 657 minus 1, you subtract this, we get 306. What is your observation? GCD of 963 657 is nothing but GCD of 657 comma 306. Euclidean algorithm methodology. By division algorithm, 657 is equal to 306 into 2 plus remainder 5. This is B. B is equal to AQ plus R model. B is equal to AQ plus R. B is equal to AQ plus R. Division algorithm. Using number of times division algorithm is nothing but Euclidean algorithm methodology. So 657 comma 306 GCD nothing but 306 comma 45. Now you write by division algorithm. 306 is equal to 45 into 6. Put a bracket. You put a quotient value always in bracket. Plus remainder 36. What is your observation? 306 45 GCD nothing but 45 comma 36. By division algorithm 45 is equal to 36 into 1 plus 9. What is your observation? 45 36 GCD nothing but 36 9. By division algorithm 36 is equal to 9 into 4 plus 0. 36 9 GCD nothing but 9 0. 9 0 nothing but 9. So therefore GCD of given numbers 963 comma 657 is equal to 9. This is the way of finding the GCD, greatest common divisor of 963 and 657. Problem 2. Using Euclidean algorithm, find GCD of the numbers 568 and 420. Solution. Given numbers 568, 420. By division algorithm, 568 is equal to, you type 568 divided by 420. 420 is equal to how much? 1.35. పాయింట్ వదిలేండి, 1 కాబట్టి ఆ ఇంటీజర్ ఎంత ఉందో అది రాయండి. 420 బ్రాకెట్లో 1 పెట్టి ప్లస్ ఆ రిమైండర్ అంతా తెలుసుకోవాలి కదా. రిమైండర్ తెలుసుకోవటానికి ఎలాగా? 568 మైనస్ బ్రాకెట్ బిగిన్ చేయండి. 420 ఇంటూ 1 బ్రాకెట్ యాండ్ చేయండి. చేస్తే ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు కొడితే ఎంత వచ్చింది? 148. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రిమైండర్ అనమాట, 148. ఇప్పుడు రూల్ ప్రకారం GCD 568 comma 420 is nothing but GCD of 420 comma 148 by division algorithm. ఇప్పుడు ఈ నెంబర్ తీసుకోండి 420 ఇక్కడ ఈ పేర్లో ఉన్నది తీసుకోవాలి 420 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 148 ఎన్నిసార్లు పోతుందో క్యాల్కులేటర్లో 420 బై 148 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2 సంథింగ్ వచ్చిందండి 2 సంథింగ్ వచ్చిందంటే 2 వేసుకోవాలి బ్రాకెట్లో 2 వేసుకుని ప్లస్ రిమైండర్ కనుక్కోవడానికి మెథడ్ చెప్పాను మీకు ఇదిగోండి రిమైండర్ కనుక్కోవడానికి 420 మైనస్ బ్రాకెట్ బిగిన్ 148 ఇంటూ 2 బ్రాకెట్ అండ్ is equal to 124 420 148 is equal to GCD 148 124 by division algorithm 148 is equal to 124 into ఎంత వస్తుందో వేయాలి మనం 124 2 times 124 కదా 148 124 so use 148 by 124 is equal to 1.1935 వచ్చిందండి అంటే 1 వేయాలి ఇక్కడ 1 వేసి రిమైండర్ కనుక్కోవడానికి 148 మైనస్ 124 ఇంటూ 1 కాబట్టి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 24 రిమైండర్ సో GCD 148 124 is nothing but 124 in similar way you write this one by division algorithm 124 is equal to 24 into so by division algorithm you write 124 equal to 24 into 5 plus 4 so GCD 24 is nothing but 4 by division algorithm 24 is equal to 4 into 6 times plus remainder 0 so you write GCD 24 comma 4 is equal to 4 comma 0 is equal to 4 comma 0 is nothing but 4 GCD of 40 is nothing but 4 therefore GCD of 568 comma 420 is 4 symbolically GCD 568 comma 420 is equal to 4 this is the way of finding the GCD of two numbers.